What is your name?
Anjali.
Yes. All good. Not. One is spelling yes. No. Not good. School started. About to start. And we. No. Still vacation. Your who school? No school. All vacation people. Your school started. I see there are 4 chapters, 5 chapters they complete. You people are still holiday. Hello? 15 minutes back I seen in front of my car, he was riding here and there. Where were you? Where did you go? I see he was taking road round and round and round. All good now? Helping you. Ah, 7, 4, 5, 6. Very good. You got that. Where is that attendance sheet? Ah. I'm coming, don't worry. Where is it? Ah, no problem. Sir, bro. This is what this Cuban students is what overall classroom. Okay. Now, it's ready now. 28 square. Oh. This is not over. तो मल्टीप्लाई करने का ना हेल्प पापा ना दीजिए हाँ तो I don't need to call now. About it? Huh? Ready?
Ready, yes.
Ready. Okay. 23 square.
23 square. 529.
529. 14 cube.
14 cube 2744.
Hello. 89 square. That will give 1 to get you last time you said I see. Where? It's 20 years. Your party. Your partner, no? That's something. We have almost asked that she will that we tell her what it is. Not the what I asked that was what is that? What is 27 square?
I think 729.
Finally, what is it? Okay. What is 13 cube?
169. अच्छा, 2197. 2197.
40 square.
196.
You know, you want cheap, no? Devan, Mr. Devan, how is? Alas, अरे चलना, don't take tension. Okay, so what is a 28 square? Take some. Just go down to you know why the star is come now? Those who don't know, you know what you like this star? There is going to be one message will go to your parents. One, Ashwatan will not go, Anagra will not go, and Cbse will not go. That's not people one message. Aditya also. These many people will not go a message. One message will go to your parents. You know what the message will go? Common. Sanna. Okay, that I will tell. They will call me, or they will ask if I will tell what is then we can do everything now. So you do one thing, you want a small knot from the letter, right? This we don't need to that. This will be done. And we will get it now. Father will give.
No,
Father. Otherwise, I'll call you again. Even if we call you, he will tell. He will tell, make it 50. I give only 30, he will tell 50. Now, this many marking is, should I send the message? Message will go. Yes. Who's it this one? Omar who's done now?
yes,
You also done now?
but 3,000.
You also done? You also done? All three. Huh? All 3 doubts. Even normal doubt or regular? One doubt. You know what we are doing.
Yeah, it's
And comments in with them, no, when you're going behind it, so come sit at least, come on, yes, ask them, they are, ask the people, yes, we have a doubt. First day, they always sitting separate, they only these two. Okay, so you are done, you are only one, okay, only one, you also only one doubt. Okay, all of you have 1, 2, 3 doubts, someone, okay. One question I wanted to ask. Not really. Later. Then there is the one.
no, you cannot.
Alas? Okay, what is one?
Every property number in the Excel is the product of prime numbers. Factorization is unique apart from
Factors. Okay, how to find the escape of numbers?
and factorization and
The product of something.
HCF is the product of the
Smallest power of
the common
prime factors present in all the numbers are common already said. Then, Aditya, what is the escape of numbers?
HCF is the prime factorization and common and the highest power.
Common or
Common no, common is a
product of
product
the
of the highest.
highest power of the all prime. Okay, common is for which one?
HCF.
Smallest is for which one?
HCF.
Highest is smallest is for which one?
Smallest is from HCF, highest is for LCF.
That means you remember that it's all same thing, Okay, yes. So what is the relation between HCF and LCM? There is a relation between number with HCF and LCM. Huh? From 600 you study. Relation between HCF, LCM and the product. What is it? Right.
So HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers.
Good. HCF into LCM is equal to product of the numbers. This is for how many numbers? Two numbers. There is a property just given. How many of you have seen the volume? There are three numbers. You learn? Learn that one. You know, can you tell me how to
Data product of LCM and HCF. It's
That is for two numbers. Three numbers, there is a properties are given. Two steps are given. Anyone read? So please see there is a property.
Why this property can't be for more than
That will not satisfy. No, we have checked also. No, we have given the verification in some cases. No, it is not for more than two numbers. It is only for two numbers. Okay, now listen. By the way, we have done the classwork of exercise 1.1.
Yes, sir.
One is remaining. Somebody if they have not signed this attendance sheet, are you pass it here? No. Who signed only one? You signed only one. It's your last, no? So sign for two. You have to both the marks, no? Either. Yeah. 12th one is. Let me finish that one. After that, I will come to your doubts. Okay. Question number 12.
right at intervals of 8, 9 and 12 minutes. And alarm is set with a mobile phone such that it alarms after every hour. It was noticed that all the bells struck simultaneously when mobile phone alarm at 10 a.m. At what time all the bells will strike together with the time.
Did you all read the question? All read the question? What all things are there? What all things are there in the question? What all things are there? Strikes. What all items are there in that one?
Intervals are
Intervals is given. That is the what intervals of what?
it alarms every
What?
4 bells.
There are four bells are there. First bell alarming
6
every 6 minutes. Second one, third one, and then fourth one, 12. Then what else? What else? I think you analyze the question till now. That is the important thing.
Alarm is set in.
Are there?
Alarm is set in a mobile phone.
There is a mobile ring. Mobile alarm rings in every 1 hour. So 4, 5 things are there. Not only 4 bells. 4 bells and one mobile. No, 4 bells are ringing every 1 is 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes. And the alarm is coming as the mobile alarm is in 1 hour. 1 hour means this is minute means 1 hour is same as 60 minutes. All of them together rings at what time? 10 o'clock. No, they are starting all of them. Now after how many hours or at what time they will ring again together? How do you know it's 12 hours?
Yes.
How do you know it's 12 hours? What is to be 12 also may not be correct.
LCM
First you will find out the least. So how much time, least time
Least time.
required for all of them ring together. Least time required for all of them ring together will be same as the LCM of this one. Find the LCM, you will get that time. That's at 9 to 10 o'clock. You will get after that one. Are you followed?
Yes.
So right. Least time required for least time required for all the bells and the mobile alarm. Least time required for all the bells and the mobile alarm to ring together. To ring together is same as the LCM of is same as the LCM of bracket. So find the LCM of all these numbers. You know how to find the LCM of all the numbers, no? Find out. Find. What is to be done? Factorization. You don't need to show the factorization small numbers. Bigger numbers only you have to do it if required. All of you do. What we got?
Yes.
Complete class. Then all of you got. No? Are you not getting? I'll do it. You don't know this one. First you have to time factorization. You have to do. 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3. 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 cube. 9 is same as 3 square. 12 is equal to. Do you know how to factorize? No. That same factorization is coming as 2 square into 3. 60 will be coming as 2 square into 3 into 5. Is a factorization. This one, if you know how to get means, no need to show the step. This one. Then you will write LCM. Listen, here this step. Listen, what is the meaning? LCM is the product of the highest power of all factors. All right. 2, which is the highest power. 2. Sorry. 3, what is that? 3 square. Then what is it? 5. Then what else? Nothing else. So that is equal to 360, no? Okay, 360. 360, that is minutes. That is same as how much? 360 divided by 66 hours. Okay, so that means after 6 hours, they will ring together. So they rang at what time? 10 o'clock. Okay, then after 6 hours means 10 plus 6, 16. 16 is same as 4 p.m. Right? Okay. All of them ring together again at 10 plus 6, 16 hours, which is equal to 4 p.m. But them will ring together at 10 plus 6, 16 hours, which is equal to 4 p.m. Complete all of you? Okay. Any other problem? Classwork, all the questions you have done now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's come to your, this exercise is over. Homework part. Whatever the doubts are there, I will flag. One, wait. 1 to 5. Which one?
Second.
Second will be
The length and breadth and height of a room are 8 meters, 25 centimeters.
8 meter 25 centimeter. Then
6 meters, 75 centimeters.
6 meter 75 centimeters.
And 4 meters, 50 centimeters.
4 meter 50.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
See,
See,
activity. Determine the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room.
look here. First is length is 8 meter and 25 centimeter. That make into 1 unit. That is coming as 825, 800 plus 25. This breadth and height is there. So length, breadth and height. We need to find out which is the longest tape which can measure everything at a time. Okay, that is same as the highest common factor of all these things. Highest common factor of all these things. Find the HCF of these things. Okay, which is same as 75. All of you got 75 centimeter. Factorization, do it and okay now. Okay. So now till 5th question, anyone got doubt? 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Any problem? No. Next is, let's till how many questions? Okay, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, no problem.
11.
Seventh one. Seventh one, what is the problem?
7.
Given HCF of this number is given and else, find the LCM. How do you find out? There are two numbers are there, LCM, HCF is given. What is the relation between, which are the two numbers?
306.
So, and their HCF is given. So find what is the relation between HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM is equal to product. So, then you can use that property now. Understood or not? Okay. HCF into LCM is equal to product. HCF value is given us. How much is HCF value? 9. LCM we have to find out. Is equal to product means 306 into 657. Cross multiply. Sure. Okay. What's the answer got? What is the answer? Huh? 22,338. 22,338. Okay now. If you want direct also you can do factorization. That is not required, use the problem. 7, 8, done. 9 also. 9 is out.
9, 10, 11.
9, 10,
How many questions you are out?
9, 10, 11 times this.
12. Huh?
9, 10, and 11. The word problem.
So there are 3 questions you are out. Okay. Yeah, listen. Yes. Let's come to the yes. Girish, explain the 9th one. Read the question.
Around the sports field.
Sit down, sit down.
So we have been taking into the right on the wide race.
The Sonia takes 12 minutes and Ravi takes, sorry, Sonia takes 18 minutes and Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Okay.
Suppose they would start at the same point on that same time and go at the same time. After how many minutes will they be the numbers sound?
So,
LCM.
least time required to meet again, isn't it? Rotation is going on now, keep on going on. Least time required to meet again at the point is same as the which one? LCM.
36.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so it is coming as LCM is coming as
36. 10.
36 minutes. This one now? 36 minutes. Agree? Okay. Think and once you think also, it's then okay. Now, next one. 10th one. Nothing. How many Gandhi had called other Gandhi?
Now we manage and mathematics books activate that in such a way. All the tables are stored like it's that is 8. The number of English book is 96. The number of Hindi book is 40. The number of mathematics books is 56. 336. Assuming the books are changed, books are of the same uniqueness. Then find the number of stacks of English, Hindi and mathematics.
So there are 3 subjects are there. First is which one? English, then Hindi and mathematics. All of them have the same thickness type book is there. And you have to stack and each should have the equal number and the maximum height will be there. Okay, no, you cannot put 1, 1, 1, 1. Maximum height, equal number, and you cannot mix also. Can you mix them? You cannot. So you have to find out the number of stacks of each, no? Or all together, total number. Okay. So first you have to find out the first you have to find LCM. Simply LCM. Okay, first you're saying analyze what you have to find out. We need to find out how many stacks of English are there. How many stacks? Means maybe 5 stacks or 6 stacks. How many stacks of Hindi are there? How many stacks? For that one, first you need to find out how many books are there in one stack. No, their books are kept for their issues. All of them are equally. So how many books each take? How many are? So first you have to find out the number of books in each stack. Number of book in each stack is highest number of books in each stack is same as HCF of these three numbers. Okay, first you'll find out HCF. How much you got? 40 is that is the number of books in each stack. Once you get me, therefore number of English. How many stacks? 96 divided by 48. That is equal to 2. Then 240 divided by 48. So that is equal to 7. Have you followed?
Yes.
Have you followed? The two steps you have to do it. First is highest number of books in each stack is same as the HCF of these three. Find out that you will get as 48. Then next part, second part, it is coming as number of English stacks. That is equal to 96 divided by 48. Okay, now the similar question we had done, you remember?
Yes, sir.
Which is on what is the question? Huh? Whatever the it's about seminar, no?
Seminar.
Sweets also. Sweets also. Seminar also number of groups required also. There are seminar. Okay. Sweets also was there. Okay now? Clear now? All of you. 11th question. Let's read. Get done.
So find the greatest number of 6 digit exactly divisible by 24/15.
Greatest number of 6 digits which is exactly divisible by what and what and what? 24, 15, 36. So you have to find out the greatest number of 6 digits. Which is the greatest 6 digit number? 6 nines are there. That we don't know what is it. Okay. What is 6 nines? Which is the number 6 nines? That's the number. 999. Huh? 999,000. 9,99,999. Okay. So greater now, which is exactly divisible by this one. So what you have to find out? First, you have to find out which is the number, highest number, which is exactly divisible by this one. Or which is the least number, which is the least number, which is exactly divisible by means least common multiple. That you will find out. Then from there remaining, who has done this one? So first you will find out. So right, first step right. Least common or least number, which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36 is same as their LCM. Least number which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36 is same as it's their LCM. So find out the LCM. So write 1 by 1. 24 factorize. 15 factorized, 36 factorized. 24 factorization done. 2 cube into 3. 15. 3 into 5. 6 into 6 means 2 square into 3 square. Now, if you want to factorize, you factorize. So this is a simple one only. If you wanted to write and factorize, you know how to write and factorize now? This is 24. Then, therefore, their LCM. Check what is the LCM is coming. 2 is how many times? 2 cube. 3 is how many times? So square. 5 constant. 360. Okay, this is good. Now, this much you got.
Yes.
You have done this question? Yeah. How did you know? You knew it. Then explain to me. Don't know. Now, we will find out what is the greatest 6-digit number. 6-digit number, no. So, largest 6-digit number, write down. Now, we have to find out which is exactly divisible. So, what you do means you divide this one by 360 and remove its remainder. Division, long division, you have to do it. 9,99,999. You check whether it's divisible or not. How do you do division, long division? You know how to do a long division now? Divide by 360. All of you, don't look at each other. Divide. Shh. Don't look at each other means you are seeing. Hello. I don't need, I need a look from where these all answers. Like to show me the how division is. How calculation does not. Then you know the calculation. Where calculation is. No, I'm not done. Oh, here division, show me. Division, you have to do it. Important type once it has come in the board exam. Division, not cancellation, long division. Tell me what is the quotient and remainder. Harshvardhan, you know how to divide now? Quotient and remainder. You have to get it. No, not cancel, not that way. I need its quotient and not simplify. Everyone is divided. I said not. My dear, I need its quotient and remainder, not cancelling common factors. Like that.
And 7.
That's not that one 777. I need the division I wanted to see. Where? How 0,316? What division?
So I'm not sure why I can't do it.
Why you can't do? There are long division you forgot. I think only most standard. Forgot.
I'm not sure why I'm not sure.
Why? I think 360 is one digit, no, 2 digit, no, 3 digit. So 360 into 2 sum. 720, subtract 9, 7, 279. Forgot. Then next place, this is the third one. Next place, bring down. That is 9. Then find out.
7. 5.
How many? I have seen only 1 or 2 only doing it. Shh. I am not seeing anyone is doing properly. Everyone is looking here and there. I have to make sit you my addition subtraction I have to teach you. What? Where division is done? 2731. Finally done. So 7 is coming. Do you know what is 7 is coming as? 25520. Subtract 9, 7. Again 279. Next 9. That is coming as. Again it is 7. 2520. So it is coming same thing only. So it is coming as 279. Next 9. So it is coming as what is it again? 7 is coming. Okay, that is 2520. That is 279. Is what all of you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Okay. Now it's most important. Don't go for decimal. Here, do you know what is the most important part? Huh? What is the most important part? What is the answer then? Tell na. Most important part is my remainder. Why? Is it divisible by this one? Look here, stop writing. Is it divisible by 360? How do you know whether it's divisible by 360 or not? After division, how? These people
Remainder.
remainder, even if tell loudly. If the remainder becomes 0, it is divisible. Is it remainder becomes 0? No. Okay, if it has remainder was 0, it is divisible. Agree or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
how will you make remainder 0? Subtract 2. Okay, therefore the largest number which is divisible by 360 is same as this minus 279. Subtract 0, 2, 9,99,720. This is the largest 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36. Are you followed or not followed? I'll tell you, if not followed, I'll explain again. Division followed. Okay, these all things long time you people are not done, that's why forgotten. Division, when did you all do? 8th standard, huh? No. Did we study? But last time when I give you 8th, 9th, you didn't think of division. Cancellation only on division. That's why you have forgot. Now, look here, if they ask to find out the quotient and remainder means not simplify. Most of the people cancel 9 from birth and divide it, not that way. That is for simplifying and find the final answer. Yes, you can do it. But for doing quotient remainder means you cannot do it, especially remainder. Okay, are we followed? Sure. Okay, agree. This question comes for 3 and 4 months. Not that easy. Huh? He said, then we say it's a simple. Okay, simple now. Aji, you did that. Let's make it simple. Now, right. Oh, please. Gandhi, what is it? You also not follow. What is it? You also not follow. And there was one more. Huh? Yata. He comes once in a month. Okay, chalo, right. Which is the your friend? Okay. Chalo, which is the smallest next one? Again, he is talking right now. Question right. Which is the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36.
24.
Saying 24, 15 and 36. She Tanvi said I will do it, you will not write. Which is did you write? Okay, do it. 15 and 36. Smallest 6-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 24, 15 and 36. All of you try, write the steps and let's see whether you'll be able to do or not. Yeah, doing the don't go in the backside and all. The front page itself, do it now, division, whatever it is there. What their calculation doing behind. Yeah, very good. Girish, come and do it and show me. Yes, everyone is looking at each other.
Smallest, smallest.
Ajay, he's telling same answer again. Ajay, he 5-digit number given. That's same method. What do you really know? Don't know. Do you know? If you don't know, tell me, I'll explain. She started direct LCM. First round of you did LCM? Yes or no?
Yes.
LCM don't know? LCM we do it direct. So first is you have to find out the LCM of these 3 numbers. Okay, that is the least number which is divisible by these three numbers. Okay. First LCM all of you done. Now, do you know which is the smallest 5-digit number? Sorry, 6-digit number? 1 lakh. Okay. Then remaining, let me see. Which got the answer? Abhi. How many is that answer? How many? I asked 60. No, what did you find? Let's see. They want to Aditya. If 60, 40, finally what is it? 280. You got a mere 280. You got you. I think it's going on. Answer, what is?
Yes, 9 and 7 0.
You're getting from where? Division where it is done? Huh? What digit? 36. Why 36? Not this way. Do not work. Division is going on. No, you're not still division problem. You're on division. Why you're writing? You write over there and divide now. I think you have to make everyone do separate. Stop now, stop now. Enough, enough. This means you got it, all of you. Okay, this 280, all of you got?
Yes,
One more digit is coming. This is the one digit has come. Fourth digit has come. Divide. So it is coming as how many? Again 7. 2, 5, 2, 0. Then zeros are there. Then 2. Again it is 8, 280. Again one is coming as, this is coming as what? So it is coming as 2520. That is equal to how much? 280. This means how many have you got? Division I need to see this way. Some are cutting, some are doing all these things. This has to be done. Practice is not going on. Yes, 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 yes. Now look here. Everyone has done subtracted after that now. This one is subtracted, this one, which is on 360. So what did you get? Sorry, not 360, 280. And what did you get?
9970.
This is the answer all of you got now. How many of you got this answer? Very good, but it is wrong.
stuck in.
Stuck in. Read the question. Read the question. What? Huh? This is 6 digits. Hello, all of you listen now.
Then you have to add.
How many? What is the question asked? Smallest 6 digit. Is it 6-digit number? Then mark it. Mark is.
You have to add.
What is the answer? 1,280,000. All are very good. I will slap one by one. That the new rule I found out. If add the remainder, it will be divisible. Anna? One will tell add, or I will tell add. One will tell, keep going now. Wait now. Wait. Shh. Now you stop now. Look here. This way you will not study anything. One will tell subtract, or will subtract. One will tell add, or will tell add. Your brain will not work out. One corner, one will come. Ari, you have to think. Now, this one, is it the answer? It is divisible by this one, but that is not the answer. Now immediately, okay, let's add and try. If you are adding this one, 1,280 comes, but is it divisible by 360? It is not. Remainder, have you studied anywhere? Remainder will add and it will be divisible. Nowhere. Now, what is the process? You, with this one, you add one more 360. So that it will come, it will be divisible or not? 0, 8, how much? 10 plus.
Why?
Why?
Why? Which is the law? Which is the one you need to do? You need. Now I have to teach divisibility and all. 35 is divisible by
5.
5 as well as 7. Okay. What is the next number divisible by 7? 35 is divisible by 7. What is the next number divisible? How did you get? How did you get?
76.
Okay, forget about. So now table is coming. 35 is divisible by 7. What is the next number is divisible by 7?
35 plus 7.
35 is, understand this one. You people are, what you people are thinking? 35 is divisible by 7. Which is the next number divisible by 7? He is telling 100
Plus 7.
plus 7. Well, how will you get? Keep on add 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Are you followed? So 90, you found out 99,900, sorry, 720 is divisible by what? 360. Which is the next? That is a 5-digit number. So that will be the largest 5-digit number you got. How will you make it to the next number? Add 360. Keep on add 360. The numbers will be divisible by 360. This will be the first 6-digit number which is divisible by 360. Are we followed or not?
Yes.
So first your remainder is subtracted. Then when you subtracted, it becomes how many digit number you got? 5-digit number. But we need the answer as 6-digit. For that one, we added one more 360. Huh? One more 0. One more 0. 1 lakh. 80,000. Understood or not? So now there is another way to do it. This is one method. Another way, if you want to do, means take the difference between these two. Difference between which one and which one? Divisor and the remainder. What is the difference between 360 and 280? Add that 80 over here, then also the same answer. Huh? Divide the difference between these two, you check. 360 and 280, 80. That 80 add with 1 lakh, 1 lakh 80. Then also the same answer will come. Are we followed? Two ways you got it. One is you subtract, that become 5-digit number. You add once again 360. Or directly take the difference and all. Both are same method only. Now where this will come again, in the polynomial, similar properties will come. When division of polynomials will come. So remember this one. Think and do it. This one, it is actually, it is not 10 standard maths. It is not 10 standard maths. What, which is this one? Which is the smallest 6-digit number which is divisible by 360. Divisibility and all, where you are studying? 6th or 7th standard. That means studied maths only. Here we applied this one is only for the LCM. Try to understand the concept, get it clear. Are you followed? Sure? Okay. Homework. Right. Right now. We're doing some things so we can go violent. I think 25 some sort of homework.
Right?
Why? No work at home now. Fighting with each other only, no? Now what are you doing at home? TV, end of the years, then but at last you will see that there is nothing to watch only. Yeah, right. What is the greatest and the smallest 5-digit number which are exactly divisible by greatest and which number? Smallest 6-digit number, sorry, 5-digit number, which are exactly divisible by, let's say, 8, 18, 27, 36. 8, 18, 27 and 36. This is the question number. Question. Okay, there are how many parts are in this question? 2 parts are there. For one is for the greatest one, and this is not now to do it. That is a form to do. I will give you one. More questions I will give you. Okay, this much is clear?
Yes.
Okay. Shh. Hello. Okay. Now, this much you can do it. Not to do it, not to do it. I'll give time for you to do it. Okay. Now, the next is the beyond this one. The practice part, I am not saying, I have given only 5 questions. So our work is done, our 5 questions are done. The next class when you are coming, next second homework is coming us. Okay, there are today more work we are going to get in. Every question, so we are done exercise 1.1.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? We be 1.1 classwork and homework. From there, I will be giving in this class 1 will sit over there. I will give you one small test of the exercise 1.1. They both class questions on classwork homework questions. Be prepared. Okay, that exercise should be done. Easy now. Okay, only for her only little relaxation because she is new. Tell her, please keep on telling what she's saying. She's complaining. And you do not hear. So she keep on talking. So this is done now.
Yes,
Okay now. So this is more. Now look here. There are a lot of application based questions you will see from this exercise. This number, what number, there are a lot of questions you will see later. So you need to do it. That's when completing the chapter, I will explain to you. Okay. All of you can listen now. All of you close the take volume and listen. We have done so about this one HCF and LCM and its properties are done. The second part of this chapter is coming as irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers. But do you know what are irrational numbers?
Number.
What are irrational? Numbers. Numbers. There are 3 ways we will tell. Okay, so right, heading like irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Then first, numbers which are not rational. There are 3 ways we can tell. Numbers which are not rational are irrational numbers. That's understood. Second,
Cannot be written in P by Q.
numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. Numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. You know what is P and Q? What is P and Q? P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. I don't need to make you to write. Third, very good. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. So 3 different ways. What are 3 different ways? Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals.
Yes.
So they are the 3 different way of irrational numbers. Okay now? Now, examples of irrational numbers. Tell me. Root 2.
Pi.
Huh? Don't come with the pi. Pi value is okay now. Okay, root 2, root 3, root 5, okay, means square roots of the all the numbers which are not perfect squares. They are irrational numbers. Can you tell me other than square roots any other irrational numbers are there? 10. No, but decimal will come. Cube roots also. Okay, cube roots also will come. Cube root of non-perfect cubes, like that all of them are irrational numbers. Decimal form, do you know what is it? Can you write one irrational number in decimal form? All of you write in the book. Example of an irrational number in decimal form. You write in your book as well. Decimal, write one irrational number in decimal form. No radical science. That's decimal, okay. No, don't write that way. Look here. This is all last year we have studied. Once again, suppose there is given us, it start with some decimal only, okay? Without decimal, don't do it. Okay. So now look here. Somebody has written this way: 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 4 0, etc. Is it an irrational number? Why? Where is the decimal? It is coming as it is a natural number basically. Okay, we are telling us. Now, next is, suppose if I put this one, now, it is an irrational number. Suppose if I put this much, is it an irrational number? No. You have to compulsory put the dots. Are you followed or not? And it should be always in a pattern. Don't put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 7, 8, 9 like that irregular way. Don't write that way. That will not be considered as irrational numbers. That we cannot dictate. You can do it as this one. You can do it as all of them. Okay, 0.32, 332. Okay, 333, 2, etc. Or 0.32, 322, 322, 3 4 times 2. After that, see, it should be a pattern, or both of them repeat. 0.32, 3322, 333, 322. What happened? Done. Okay, you got it now. Very good. Tanvi got means everyone. And me, first question to you. Squares you did not study. Message must have reached. Okay, understood all of you? Everyone. So any order you can do it. Either the first digit will be in second one will come as this one. Okay, this is the one. Now, here today we are going to discuss about how to prove irrational numbers. We said root 2 is an irrational number, or root 3 is an irrational number. The question will be asking, prove root 2 is an irrational number. Prove root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, this is the condition it is coming. This proof is done by contradiction. What about contradiction? Word contradiction? What do you mean by contradiction? Yes, whatever required, its opposite we will tell. What he said is correct. If you want to prove root 2 is a rational number, means we will assume its opposite. Root 2 is not an irrational number, means root 2 is a rational number. After certain steps, we will see that whatever the step somewhere it comes wrong. Maybe 5, we may get a statement as 5 is equal to 10. We know 5 is not equal to 10. Why this has come? Because our assumption is wrong. Therefore, it is yes. Okay, are you followed? This is the property we are going to do. Before doing that, write this theorem also. Write down. Write this one. This is called another theorem. Second theorem. Right. If B is a prime number, theorem. If P is a prime number, whenever P divides A square, then P divides A. Whenever P divides A square, then P divides A. P divides A, where A is a positive integer. Where A is a positive integer. So meaning is the same. If P divides 3 square, then P divides 3. Or P divides 100 square, then P divides 100. Okay. If a number is divisible by this one means 3 square is divisible by P means 3 will be divisible by. Okay, understood or not? Suppose 36, which is the inverse of square, 6 square. We will see that 6 square is divisible by what? 2. That means 6 will be divisible by 6 square is divisible by 3, means 6 will be divisible. Whichever the number you tell, 6 square is divisible by 6, therefore 6 also divisible by 6. That is the problem. Are we followed? This is the property. We are going to apply this property for proving this one, root 2 irrational number, root 3. Now this proof, the question comes in the exam, it comes for 3 marks. Okay, proof I will explain. One of the proof, if you know, means all the proofs are same. Okay, there are 2-3 ways also there. Some more properties, or after that we will study 9th standard certain properties you studied. You remember some of the rational and irrational. Irrational. That will properties also we discussed, then we will complete. I will give you 5 minutes break after the break. Okay. What is your not your formal, but for going on something else I asked. So yes.
अगर हमने स्मार्ट मिला तो वो रिकमेंडेशन मैं एक बात बता अब हम होमवर्क करेंगे तो क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज भी करेंगे काफी ये भी करेंगे एक साथ बात करेंगे इनको बताएगा हमारे लिए किस तरह मैं याद करेंगे याद करेंगे मैं जीवन को बोलना चाहिए वो क्यों नहीं आते
Learn. Learn now. Those are not learned has to stay back here, okay? No learn. See, Sarshvardhan says yes, or ready to learn because he is already done. 2 people, 3 people only have been learned. Aditya, Harshvardhan, and you, yes. Another. Hello, why did you study? Squares and all. When are you going to study? Almost done. I don't know. At home, but if you come home at home, only know you already at home. At home, ballpark. Ballpark. What are you doing at home? She also thinking what I'm doing. What's studying? Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Now, listen now. Let's start now. Close the book and listen. I'm going. Right, pause. Learn. Okay. Then. Yeah. Listen, I am going to explain one of them. This the proof. There are certain proofs are there. If one of the proof is you know what is going on, these calculations are going on. Actually, questions are doing. Proof if you know means you have to one only know means everything is same thing only. Okay. We are going to prove, let's say root 2 is irrational. Okay. Root 2 is irrational number. For proving this one, listen, not need to write. I'll make you to write that one. But let us assume to the contrary that root 2 is rational. Root 2 is rational. If it is root 2 is rational, I can write as root 2 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. First statement, all of you followed? Let us assume to the contrary that root 2 is rational. Therefore, there exist integers P and Q such that root 2 is equal to P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Or root 2 is equal to P by Q, P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. This much is followed. Now, sometimes when you write this P and Q, by the way, do you know what is the meaning of blue? What happened? Nothing. Okay, she is being tired. Do you know what is co-prime? Co-prime, 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 co-prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Anyone? Co-prime numbers.
Which are more? Sorry.
Which has to be one and its values.
And then what is the difference between prime and co-prime?
That's more.
Which is four.
More than 10.
So, which is only? One is two. One is called co-prime. The co-prime numbers means numbers which having one is only common factor. Means when you write in simplest form, like if I write as 1 by 2, they are co-prime numbers. 3 by 4, 3 and 4 are co-prime numbers. Not necessarily this 4 should be prime number. If the common factor between them is 1 or HCF is 1, they are called co-prime numbers. Understood or not? What is the meaning of co-prime? Co-prime means what? Common factor is 1. Means suppose make into 3 by 6. Is it co-prime? No. How will you make it as co-prime? Make it into 1 by 2. That's okay. So that is why. So if P and Q. Now, so we reach till here. Root 2 is equal to P by. What happened? You reach. What is going on there? Yeah. In between there something is going. One will look. Now, if P and Q have common factor other than 1, then we reduce it so that root 2 is equal to A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. What is it? A and B are co-prime. Understood? What we have done is, first we assume that root 2 is equal to P by Q, where P and Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0. If P and Q have common factors other than 1, we reduce to A by B. Sometimes A by B and B by Q are same thing only because there is no common factor. Okay. This much is clear. What are A and B? A and B are co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? No. We will cross multiply this one. What will you get here? Root 2B is equal to A. We square on both sides. Squaring both sides, what will you get? Square on both sides. 2B square is equal to A square. Have we followed? We cross multiplied and square on both sides. We got it this much. That means 2 divides A square. Is it or not? A square is this because A square is multiple. Hey, listen here, Mister. He's putting it down. What happened? All okay now? Which means 2 divides
A.
2 divides A square. Followed what is the why 2 divides A square? A square is written as 2 into some number. Okay, means A square is what is the meaning of 2 divides A square? A square is divisible by 2. Whenever 2 divides a square, the theorem just now you wrote no. 2 divides a. Okay, means a. What is the meaning of 2 divides a? A is divisible by 2. This much is clear. Even if a is divisible by 2 means, therefore a can be written as a multiple of 2 now. Therefore a can be written as, let's say 2c. 2 divides a now. A is divisible by 2 now. What is the meaning of divisible by 2? A can be written as 2 into some number. 6 or 12 divides 2. What is the meaning of 12 divides 2? Sorry, 2 divides 12. 2 divides 12 means when 12 can be written as 2 into some number. 15 is 2 does not divide 2. Sorry, 2 does not divide 15. Why? Because 15 cannot be written as 2 into some number. Follow this one. Here it is given as 2 divides a means, so we wrote as a is equal to 2c, where c is an integer. Integer positive integer. We will substitute this in condition 2, where substitute, sorry, condition 1. Substituting 1. You replace in 1. Since now what we get 2b square is equal to a square means what? 2c whole square. That is 2b square is equal to 4c square. You can cancel from here. What do you get over here? B square is equal to 2c square. That means 2 divides what? B square. 2 divides
B square into divide.
B square. Therefore, 2 divides. Are you followed? You're writing. I don't know, since long time you keep on writing. Don't write. You listen only. I will make you people to write now. 2 divides B. Are you followed the small steps? Followed. Makka. Any steps? I'm going to ask some of you to come and explain on the board. Ready now? Any step? Harshvardhan, followed. Who is Harshvardhan? Which step you have not followed? Tell me now. Everything not followed. Then what I am doing dancing over here. Everything not followed. Please stand up. I will make you to sit over here. You will sit what Girish is doing, then I am sitting now. Girish is removing item. I will do it. Which step you have not followed? Substituting. Are they replaced now? What is the value of A? Till here you have followed. Sure. I'm going to ask you. No. Yes, equation. Equation 2 has a problem. Okay. Once again, listen. All of you listen here. What is the proof we are studying? What is the proof we are studying? Prove that root 2 is irrational number or not a rational number. Well, how we started the proof? Let us assume to the contrary that root 2 is rational. Okay. So therefore, root contrary that root 2 is irrational. Therefore, root 2 is rational. Okay, let us assume that root 2 is rational. Then, therefore, root 2 is equal to P by Q. Then, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. That means also followed all of you. Next statement, what you write? If P and Q are common factors other than 1, we reduce it so that root 2 is equal to A by B, where A and B are co-prime. That also is clear, all of you, everyone. Okay. Now, therefore, root 2 is equal to A by B. Simplify means cross multiply. Therefore, root 2B is equal to A. This also is clear. Square on both sides. 2B square is equal to A square. No problem. That means A square is a multiple of 2. That is 2 divides A square. Whenever 2 divides A square, 2 divides A also. That is a property. If P divides A square, then P divides A. This also is clear for you. That's what then follow this one. What is the meaning of 2 divides A? A is a multiple of 2. That is why we wrote, therefore A is equal to 2C, where C is an integer. This is clear. We will substitute this in equation 1. Means A will be replaced as 2C. Replace 2B square is equal to 2C whole square. That is 2B square is equal to 4C square. Cancel 2 from here. B square is equal to 2C square. Problem solved now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means, see, B square is a multiple of 2. That is written as 2 divided B square.
See,
Understood or not? Which means 2 divides B.
same proposition, sir.
Huh?
Same proposition, sir.
Where? Where?
In the first step.
Which step? It's over now. Till here you have followed. Don't think about beyond this one. This much is clear. Ajay, you are thinking beyond what to do. That I will explain. This much is clear. Now look at equation 2 and equation 3. What is it in equation 2? 2 divides A. What do you mean? 2 divides B. That means 2 divides both A and B. What is A and B? Co-prime. What is the meaning of co-prime? There is nothing common between A and B now. But what is equation 2 and 3 says? 2 divides both A and B. It's wrong now. One side you are telling there is nothing is common between. Here we proved yes, there is a common factor between A and B. This is a contradiction. This contradiction from where he got? It is arrived from the wrong assumption. What is the wrong assumption? Root 2 is yes. Therefore, root 2 is not a rational. Hence, we conclude that root 2 is irrational. Are you followed?
Yes,
Everyone followed?
yes.
Now, question may come in the examination. Prove root 3 is irrational. What you have to do? Instead of 2, you put as 3. Same steps. Wherever 2 is coming as 3, 3 square will come 9, same step. Or root 5 irrational, same steps. Root 6 irrational, same steps. Are you followed, all of you? Sure, proof is clear. Question generally comes in the exams. Ready? All of you please stand up. Really sure what happened? Feeling called out. And switch off the AC. Okay, please. You. And then next time if you want to sit that side, you can. You want to feeling called? No, if you're feeling called means you can shift to the other side. Okay, no problem. All of you please stand up. See, this man is writing your book. Ready now?
Oh, wait.
Yes. Ready? To explain on the board, I am going to sit there. I'm going to ask. Then I will explain. Oh. You'll explain now? Sure. Those are ready, please sit down. Those who are ready to explain, please sit down. See, you want he's coming to explain. I'm going to erase now.
Oh, yes.
Anyways. What happened? You want to explain? Come. Then why are you standing? Huh? Standing, sitting, huh? Why? What is the problem? You don't know or what?
Right.
And writing, don't worry, handwriting not a problem. The handwriting is a problem. Then
I have to write and understand the person.
so you have to write and understand here. Girish, what happened? Huh? Okay, open your notebook, all of you. Okay, next class I will ask you people to write. Okay, open the notebook. Right. Question right. Prove that. Prove that root 3 is irrational. Three is irrational. Written?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to write the solution. Right. Solution. Let basic part I will write. Okay. Let us assume to the contrary that root 3 is rational. Root 3 is rational. Written? Don't write paragraph. That is one line. Next line. Therefore, what is the next statement, right? Root 3 is equal to P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Root 3 is equal to P upon Q. Written? Root 3 is equal to P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. Full stop. Okay. Next line. If P and Q have common factors other than 1, if P and Q have common factors other than 1, we reduce them so that if P and Q have common factors other than 1, we reduce them so that root 3 is equal to, next line, root 3 is equal to A upon B. Then where A and B, it's important line, where A and B are co-prime. Root 3 is equal to A upon B, where A and B are co-prime. There the contradiction comes now. A and B are co-prime. Okay. Now cross multiplication do, that is A and B are co-prime not. Now cross multiply. Root 3B is equal to A. What happened? Are you writing the steps or not? So now I will check root 3. Right, these all things who will write. Written all these things. Okay. Root 3B is equal to A. Written. Now what is the next step to do? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Square. What do you get? 3B square is equal to A square. Equation 1. Therefore, 3 divides A square. Written. Therefore, 3 divides A. Condition 2, reason right. If P divides A square, then P divides A. There's a theorem. By theorem, if P divides A square, then P divides A. By theorem, P divides A square, then P divides A. Written? So, what did I write? A is equal to 3C, where C is an integer. Where C is an integer. A is equal to 3C, where C is an integer. That also written? Okay, C is an integer. Now what did you do? What do you do? What did you do? Substitute in equation 1. Right, substitute in equation 1. Replace in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1 we get replace that one layer. 3B square is equal to 9C square. That is B square is equal to 3C square. B square is equal to 3C square. Written. Therefore, 3 divides what? B square. That is 3 divides B. Condition number 3. 3 divides B. Written all of you? Now, next one. Right, from 2 and 3 we get, from equation 2 and 3 we get and 3 we get 3 divides both A and B. A and B. Okay. Written. Next line, right? This contradicts the fact that both A and B are co-prime. Okay. Both A and B are co-prime. Next line. This contradiction has arrived from the incorrect assumption that root 3 is rational. This contradiction has arrived from the incorrect assumption that root 3 is rational. So we conclude that root 3 is rational. Three is irrational. Is it clear? All of you? Now, next is write some property, right? This is clear. You will root 2, root 3, all these things, the same properties only, right? Okay, some properties. Sum of a rational property, or altogether that property will write, otherwise 4 times you have to write, no? Sum, comma, difference, sum, comma, difference, comma, product, comma, quotient, sum, difference, product or quotient of a rational and an irrational number. And an irrational number is always irrational. An irrational number is always what type of number? Irrational. Okay, written. Are you followed? Meaning is followed now. 3 and root 5. 3 plus root 5. Which type of number? Irrational. 3 minus root 5. Irrational. Okay. Below right. This property may not be true for continuation. Next line. This property may not be true for when both the numbers are irrational. This property may not be true for when both the numbers are irrational. Can you give example? Can we? If 2 numbers are irrational, can you tell some of them is you? Okay, that's what it is. Huh? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, therefore product of 2 irrational numbers. That is same thing you said. Different you tell, right? You said it's correct, 2 different ways. Sum you tell. Sum of 2 irrational numbers is not true. That is irrational. Sum of 2 irrational numbers are irrational. Can you identify? Give one example. If it is give an example, sum of two irrational numbers is rational. And then yes. There are two rational numbers or irrational numbers are written. 3 plus root 5 and 8 minus root 5. Add both of them. You add both of them, both will be cancelled. Answer will come as what? 11. Is a rational number. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, product subtraction the same way you can do it. For product, lot of things you can do. Suppose it is coming as 3 plus root 5, conjugate itself. 3 minus root 5 or root 2 and root 8. Multiply. Root 2 into root 8 is equal to root 16, which is equal to like that. You know, so this property is not okay. So now that's why it is a rational number, no? That is the thing we are proving now. If it is the other one, lot of examples you can root 2 into root 3 is equal to root 6. It is irrational. Okay, we have to prove product of two irrational is rational. So the property is not true. Okay, like that. Now, look here. 3 plus root 5. What type of number?
Yeah.
Irrational number. This question can come for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. If it is coming for 1 mark, what will be an answer? Prove the 3 plus root 5 is irrational. 1 mark. Mix it up. Then what is it like? You will tell 3 is a rational number and root 5 is an irrational number. And we know that sum of a rational and an irrational number is always irrational. Done. Okay. If it is coming for 4 or 5 marks, we take root 5 alone separately and prove just now you wrote the proof. No. That proof you write. After that you put this thing. First you prove root 5 is rational. Then you will write we have proved root 5 is a rational number and 3 is a rational. Sum of a rational and irrational is always irrational. Generally 3 mark it may not come. If it is coming for 2 marks, the proof is this way. Let us assume to the contrary. Let us assume contrary that 3 plus root 5 is rational. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is equal to directly a by b, right? Where a and b are coprime. Okay, a and b are coprime. Okay, so then next is therefore root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. Or root 5 is equal to, if you are simplifying what we get, a minus 3b upon b. LCM you know to take?
Yes.
Yes or no? No. Now after that, we know a and b are integers, 3 is an integer. Therefore, this is what type of number? Rational number. No? A minus 3b upon b is a rational number, no? All integers simplification of integers and fraction if it is coming, it's a rational number. P by Q form, no? This is an integer and this is an integer, therefore it's a rational number. Whereas what is this number? Irrational. Means irrational number is equal to rational, which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arrived from where? Wrong assumption. Therefore, we conclude that 3 plus root 5 is which type of number? Irrational. This is for 2 mark. This time the exams were board exam, the question was this year. These way questions were there. Okay, understood or not? Okay, so write one question like this one. Right. Show that Or exercise is there. Take the exercise. We will do the exercise. Which one? 1.2. Chapter is almost getting over. Exercise 1.2. Taken. Read the question. Anaka, read the question. Following are irrational numbers. Okay. 1 upon root 2. Okay, write down. 1 upon root 2. Okay. Right. The statement I'll give. Let us assume to the contrary that let us assume to the contrary that 1 upon root 2 is rational. Is rational. Written?
Yes.
Therefore, we can find co-primes A and B. Co-primes A and B such that 1 upon root 2 is equal to A by B. Okay. Cross multiply and rearrange. Only get root 2 A is equal to B, or root 2 is equal to B upon A. Or directly you can take it to reciprocal also. Root 2 is equal to B upon A. Okay. Since A and B are integers, B by A and B are integers, B by A is a rational number. We know that root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. Okay. So what is the conclusion? So we got a contradiction now. Okay. This okay, which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. So not one side it is rational and the other side is irrational, which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption that this contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Okay. 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Wrong assumption that 1 upon root 2 is rational. 1 upon root 2 is rational. Hence, we conclude that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Hence, we conclude that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Completed all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Check the second part. Can you able to write the same way? Same way, right? What is the second part? 7 root 5. Same steps are same thing only. Similar steps like 3 to it. 7 root 5. Let us assume to the contrary that. Let us assume to the contrary that 7 root 5. Root 5, no?
Yes.
7 root 5 is rational. 7 root 5 is rational. Written? Okay. Then next line. Therefore, we can find co-prime A and B, comma B not equal to 0 also, right? Hence, we can find co-primes A and B, comma B not equal to 0, such that 7 root 5 is equal to A upon B. Now find out cross multiply, find out what is the root 5. Root 5 is equal to, what did you get? Huh? Oh my friend, that is not the answer. A upon, bring this 7 down now. That is not the answer now. Root 5 is equal to A upon 7B. Okay. Next step, right? Since A comma B comma 7 are integers. A comma B comma 7 are integers. Therefore, A upon 7B is rational. Following now? So, A upon 7B is rational. Whereas root 5 is irrational. Then what continuous command, which is a contradiction? One, or you want to write a rational number is equal to rational number, which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arisen from the wrong assumption that this contradiction has arisen from the wrong assumption that, what is the wrong assumption? 7 root 5 is rational. Hence, we conclude that. Okay. It's 8 steps we are writing, so it's easy to do. Done? Now, next question. Third part. What is the third part? 3 plus root 2. All of you do it. Complete that exercise. Everyone will do it. I don't need to explain only. Three plus root 2. Think what happened? Tired out. Then do it. Think. I don't need to tell now. Same was the previous line. Uh,
Yes, sir.
A minus 3b upon b. No, that's only the change, no? The
Yes, sir.
rest of things are same thing only.
Yes.
Like this one, 3 plus root 2,
Okay, correct.
a by b. Therefore, root 2 is equal to
Equal to
a by b minus,
3b
that is root 2 is equal to a minus 3b upon.
upon b.
Next step, you will write the same, say a, b and 3 are integers. This is rational, whereas root 2 is irrational. Therefore, that is irrational number is equal to rational, which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arisen from the wrong assumption. So, done, no?
Yes.
Okay, that was which question?
Third.
Third one. All of you do the fourth one then. 5 minus 2 root 3, no? I hope it's easy now.
Yes, yes.
All of you. Now 5 minus 2 root 3. Simplification, don't make mistake. There is a mistake I can see. That minus 1. Anybody right now? You can make minus problem, all of you look here. Minus problem means what you can do means take this over here and this one, no? 5 minus a upon b is equal to 2 root 3. So 5b minus a upon b is equal to 2 root 3. Bring it over here. 5b minus a upon 2b is equal to root 3. So that there is no issue of your minus. Do not make mistake. Okay, my dear. Aaron. Last year, Aaron went somewhere, vacation time somewhere, no? Or vacation, why not? In between you are sometime you are not there in the classroom. Where? You also went somewhere. No, you are here. Written this one. This is not your, my dear friend, write the steps and all. 10, A, B, 2, 5 are integers. Are you writing?
Yes.
I have to check. This man is half things only not writing. Let me see your notebook. Yeah, I will sit over here and one by one. Can we show you notebook? For one of the group, let me see.
Right?
Okay. This minus has to be going on. Our learning and learning means smartphone will need to go. If Kanishka, no? Can write A and 5 value. Getting now. Next, Mr. Anand. If they are not getting, I'll do only fifth only problem.
Yes.
6 1 or 6 1 how to do okay. Hello, my friends, please come here. Please come in. With the book, with the pen. Come in. He's giving you pen and paper. Bring the pen. Pen, please bring it. How many people? I called it. I didn't call it. How did you get it? Are you know what the mark will be? What the basic years? Then you know. Coming here, I think minus 3 equal A by C minus 5. These things are all different now. Then this particular A minus 5 equal to what is 3 equal to 5B minus A. Okay, be careful. It's careful. Next years from me. It's that's kind of writing not contradiction of the next it's only where the concluding steps are done. I will you're waiting for me to write. Come here. Where is the concluding step of this one? On this one, he is waiting for me. I will tell you. You are like that only, Mr. Prulemian. You have to be school. Bal. Mr. Bal, write properly, okay? Not this way. Mark will not come. This will not come. So, okay. Not that you know, I have to do this. You follow also do not. Follow. Who is the book? By my reading. You also little more properly and right. Since root 3 is irrational, root 3 is rational. Well, come in. Come in. Nice, I had taken the book. I got it. Read. Since root 3 is irrational, root 3 is rational. That is gone. Since root 3 is irrational, root 3 is rational. What does it mean? Full stop. Okay. I will, okay. Since root 3 is irrational, full stop. Root 3 is rational. What does it mean? There is wrong here. What is written? First you write A, B, 5 and 2 are integers. This is rational. But root 3 is irrational, which means irrational is equal to irrational, which is a contradiction. This contradiction has arrived from the wrong assumption. And where is your assumption unknown? That is the assumption. What are A and B? Who will write? I will write. This is a 3-mark question. If I see this mark maximum, I can give you at the most. Have mercy on you 1 mark. All other remaining half mark. 2.5 mark careless question. Understood? Write properly, don't do these all things. I am giving enough time for it. Next is with other. Goodbye agreement. Let us assume that you can confirm times. Okay. Is it still okay? Where is Gandhi gone? Oh, Gandhi. Oh, Gandhi. Okay, you. Where is Ricky? Two plus root three. I know that. That everyone put is correct. I want to see the changes. It runs all the three. How? How did you get this to this? How did you get from year to year? Can you tell me explain? 5 on this side, then 2 where we got. Array, it is coming as 5 on this side, we are taking minus 2 root 3 is equal to a by b minus 5. Yes or no? Then how do you? If you want to use 2, how will you take 2 on this way? Then the next step, if you want to do mean according to me, LCM by minus 2. Then you can take this minus 2 there, root 3 is equal to a minus 5b upon minus. Anything is matching over here, can you tell me? And from where you come at NP? So 0, 0, 0. Root 3 is equal to this minus is coming in 5b minus 3. What you have to write down? And who's it? Girish also saying mistakes done, huh? Go back. I will not. Go. Girls, let me bring it. Say, I cleaned the books now. How many mistakes I am finding? Are come here? Now what is A? What is B? Who will write? I will write. Then who will write? I did not tell to write now. Are one question done now? Then you have to read the pen. You have to write here A and B are co-primes. Time over.
Yes, yes.
I started talking and don't give people correcting. Yeah.